Hi guys, and welcome to Sino Supercars. So as some of you may know, I actually am an F21 series owner, and so this is the 120i. It's got the B48 motor, and I'm going to be doing lots more videos with this car. Maybe in the future we'll even modify it power wise and stuff, but today what we're going to be doing is actually be installing the black double slat grille. So you'll see on this car right now, let me maybe walk up to it. You'll see on this car right now, it's got the chrome surrounds and that, which I don't really like. So what we did was we actually went and bought a set of black replacements, and I'm going to basically do a how-to. I'm probably going to be fumbling around for ages trying to figure out how to do it, but guys, I hope you enjoy the video. So if you have a look at the grills, I actually will quickly show you guys what they look like. So this is kind of what it looks like, the double slat grill, and it's basically going to go in its place. And you'll see on the back here, it's got 3 clips on the top, 3 clips on the bottom, and then a clip on either side. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting my hand inside of the grill, and let's see how that goes. So once the one is out, then I'll basically put my hand behind there, but I will show you guys how that works now. Okay, so we're going with a new method now, because this prying from the front doesn't really work. So what we're going to do is take this weather stripping off here, and then underneath this weather stripping there'll be some Torx bolts under there, and then I'll be able to get my hands underneath here. So let's give that a bash. Okay, so with the rubber trim removed, there you can see there's 6 Torx, which I'm going to be removing. Now with the T30s removed, you'll see that there are these little clips. There's there, and all you have to do now is basically pull this forward so that it unlatches from the clips. But I can't really do that and hold the camera, so I'll show you guys when it's done. Okay, after much effort, they're finally out, and then we're going to be replacing it with the gloss black ones. So I'm first going to clean up this area before we do anything. I'll put them in, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. And that is the video, guys. Check it that. Oh, they look so good. I really like the black grills, double slat. They look awesome. Next video we're going to be installing some M3 M4 style mirrors, which is going to be really cool, so stay tuned for that, and thanks so much for watching, guys.